What is going on, traders? It's Curtis here again, also known as the Invested Millennial, and as usual, it is currently Saturday, July 4th. So happy 4th of July to start for all my American viewers. And but what this video is obviously a TRADERA trade recap for the week of June 28th to July 3rd, which was the Friday. So Sunday, Sunday, June 28th, that market opened to July 3rd at 5 p.m. Eastern market close, and we're just going to get right into it. As you can see, we have a total pip count of the week for 174 pips, so you can't go wrong there. And we have the charts all marked out for you, and we're going to show you exactly what trades we took. So our first trade came in on Sunday, June 28th on Euro USD, and it was a sell position, and our stop loss was actually activated, so we had a 32 pip stop loss. So let's go check out the chart for that trade. Let's see, Euro USD. So we had two trades actually on Euro USD. Here is the first one that we had. As you can see, we got taken out relatively quickly. It only took a couple of hours for us to get taken out of that trade, but we were down 32 pips in total for the week so far. And again, it's only Sunday market open, so not bad at all. 32 pips is hardly anything. Obviously, it sucks to lose, but it's just part of the game when you are trading. So let's go back and check out the next trade, which was GBP AUD on Monday, June 29th, which was a sell, and it was a win for a total of 16 pips. Let's go find it on our chart here. Again, we had two trades on GBP AUD, but we had almost zero drawdown in this trade, as you can see. We entered right on this candle here, and we hit our take profit of 16 pips before ultimately we went back to our, once you hit the 16 pips, what you do is you go to the stop loss break even, and if it continues to fall down in the direction that you place your trade, then you can obviously trail your stop further and further and protect your profits. But unfortunately, it went back against us and it took us out. So we were down for 16 pips, or sorry, up for 16 pips, but technically still negative 16 pips overall for the week. Let's check out our next trade, which was AUD JPY. So AUD JPY, we had a buy position. This was a beautiful trade. It went just so smoothly for a total of 64 pips. We had our entry right here on this candle, and literally almost zero drawdown. We had a little bit of drawdown here. We went up, hit our take profit, and it came pretty much right back down to our entry before ultimately going back up and hitting our take profit again. So if you anticipated that move, which you probably could have, even if you just drew a little trend line like so, you could have seen that it came back down to our original entry and placed another buy with some confidence and got another 64 pips. I obviously did not do that. I only took the one trade alert, and I got my 64 pips, and I stayed away from the this chart afterwards. Next, we have NZD USD for a buy. Let's go check that out now. Here's another perfect trade, which we entered actually right on this wick, believe it or not, and we just kind of consolidated for a couple hours before ultimately going up and hitting our take profit. Just smashed our take profit for a total of 64 pips. Let's get that in here. Plus 64 pips. So that was another perfect trade called by our TRADERA traders. And that was on the 30th. So that would have been Wednesday, I believe. Yep, Wednesday. And here we have another trade on Wednesday, which was GBP AUD once again. Let's go back and check that out. So here was our trade where we entered, I think it was actually on this candle we entered. So we were in drawdown for a couple hours, just back and forth, ultimately before hitting our 16 pip take profit one. Again, what you do, once you hit your take profit one, stop loss to break even, and then it came back up and it took us out. It just missed our take profit two, which I believe was somewhere along this line here, really close to this first take profit. So we just missed our take profit two, which is okay, it happens. But profit is profit, so you can't complain. Another 16 pips in the pocket. And what we have next is Euro USD for a buy, and it was also a win. So let's check that one out. Here's our second trade on Euro USD. Now, I don't actually remember where exactly we entered the market. It was somewhere. I know it was one of these smaller candles when there was some exhaustion in the market. So let me just shrink that down because that kind of looks confusing. It may have even been on this wick right here, on this big blue wick, on that blue candlestick. That was our entry, but again, 48 pips secured in the bag, almost zero drawdown. Really, it was only a drawdown for 4 or 5 pips or something like that. Before ultimately setting our stop loss to break even, and it came back out and took us out. And that's okay, that's part of the game. So that was our second Euro USD trade, which is ultimately a win. Our first one was a loss. Next on the list we have AUD USD. Let's check that chart out. AUD USD, this was an awesome trade. We're actually still in this trade. We hit our take profit 1. So we are at our stop. This is just our stop loss of 32 pips. But we went up, we hit our take profit 1. We are now set at break even. Stop loss at break even. So if this trade were to come down like it almost did on this candlestick, our profits are secured. But we are hopefully going to let this ride all the way to the top for a total of 161 pips, which would be nice. But you have to expect in a big trade like this that you're going to have a lot of, up, down, up, down, up, down, come up here maybe before coming back down all the way to the entry, and just so on and so on before ultimately it just goes right up and hits our take profit. So that's an awesome trade. We're waiting to wait and see how that plays out. Now we're also in one last trade here, which was Euro GBP, and it was a buy as well. Let's go check that chart out. So here we are. We are in drawdown right now on this chart, or on this trade, sorry. We're still waiting to see how it plays out, but and you never know really. You can see we are on this kind of resistance line, or sorry, support line, previous resistance, current support. So we're hopefully going to see this come up and possibly hit our take profit. But again, that's a big trade too. That's a total of another trade of 160 pips. Even if we hit our take profit 1 of 60 or 30 pips, you can't complain. Okay, so that was our trade recap for the week of June 28th to July 3rd. We were up a total of 174 pips. Again, let's just go count that to make sure we have it right. So let's go back to our TRADERA trades here. And yep. Okay, so here we started off at negative 32 pips. So negative 32 plus 16 pips, just follow along, negative 32 here, plus 16 here, plus 63 pips, plus 63 pips again, plus 16 on GBP AUD, plus 48 pips on Euro USD, our second entry, and we're still again waiting for these trades to play out. I did secure some profits on AUD USD, but Euro GBP we're just waiting. We're in drawdown right now. It'll likely get taken out, but you never know. So for a total of 174 pips. So what that means, guys, 174 pips. If you were to trade at a dollar lot size, do 1 times 174. You made $174 this week from your smartphone. If you trade at, let's say, $5 per pip, you do 5 times 174, and you made $870 this week alone, just from the TRADERA trade alerts, guys. So this is a really powerful system. Even if you have just $300 in your account, and let's say you make, let's say even 6% on your account every week, which is pretty average, I would say, you're up $18 that week. Okay. So that's pretty much it for this trade, guys, or for this week. It was another great week, almost flawless. We had 1 loss and 1 to be determined right now, so you really can't complain, guys. But if you are interested in getting plugged into this system, I highly recommend you get in touch with me. My team is blowing up, guys. We are getting massive results. I'm talking about it is changing people's lives every single day. Okay, it is not just me. There is an army of us who are plugged into this system and just making profits on profits from these markets, guys. So if this is something you think you can do, learning these markets, if it's something you're interested in or you want to do, get in touch with me and let's get you plugged into this system, guys. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you next week for next week's trade recap. And again, just leave a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll talk to you guys later.